Welcome to M365 Professional. Keep your kids safer online by creating a Microsoft Family Group. To do this, go to account.microsoft.com and sign in. Select Family. Choose if the person you're adding will be a member or an organizer. Organizers can manage permissions and activities for members. Then add the email or mobile number. Enter the CAPTCHA and send the invites. Once they join, they're part of the family group. Now organizers can view and manage activity, set screen time limits, set app and game limits, manage spending, and find your child's location. This requires running Microsoft Launcher on an Android or Windows phone. You can also set up a family OneNote or a family calendar to keep track of everyone's events. Need more help? Go to support.microsoft.com/accounts and billing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.